SMOTURE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with Auto Mode, sold by Elanry. Introducing the SMOTURE 45 kPa by 550-watt cordless vacuum cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion. With a powerful 550-watt brushless motor, it delivers 45 kPa suction to tackle all debris and dirt. Enjoy up to 60 minutes continuous runtime with its large capacity lithium batteries. The wall-mounted charging station makes charging and storage a breeze, with automatic shutoff for battery longevity. Featuring a 1.6-liter dust cup and one-click dust removal, cleaning has never been easier. The 270-degree rotatable floor brush with LED light ensures no corner or dark spot is missed. Its self-standing feature allows you to pause cleaning without needing to prop it up. Switch between automatic mode and manual 3-level suction with a simple touch on the HD touchscreen. The smart sensing function optimizes suction based on floor materials for maximum cleaning effectiveness. The anti-tangle S-brush reduces hair tangles, making it perfect for pet owners. A built-in filtration system captures 99% of dust, bacteria, and allergens, releasing purified air. Enjoy peace of mind with a 3-year warranty and 24/7 after-sales service, ensuring your satisfaction. Please click the link below for the best discount and offer.